You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? We are looking at how to pronounce these words and more confusing vocabulary many get wrong, so stay tuned to the channel and become part of the community. Two different ways of pronouncing it. In British English, it's usually said as lever, stress on the first syllable, lever. In American English, however, it's usually said normally as lever, lever. In American English, lever or lever in British English. And now you know. Did you get this? Yes, let me know in the comments. Hopefully you did. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate the support. More videos for you here to learn more free, correct pronunciations. Thanks for watching. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.